Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. So today is my favorite lifestyle box. It is Pink Box Delivery. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like my video and its content, please hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future video, and a thumbs up if you really like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much. You know how much I love and appreciate your loyalty to my channel. So, you know how much I love this box. So it comes with the sheet with the prices and everything that's in it. And this is I think this is the April box. You usually get it at the end of the month prior. So I'm thinking this is the April box. So we'll find out. This is such a wonderful subscription. It's a small business owned, woman-owned business, and she puts together a theme every month. So I believe last month was Audrey Hepburn, and it was such a lovely box. And let's see what we have in this box. Oh my God, this is just filled to the rafters. So the first thing is Live Organically, a weekly meal planner. Oh my God, how she must know that I need this in my life. This is like April is the worst time for me. There's so much going on in Arizona. We have friends that come in, you know, so we're always going out to eat. So it's really hard to put together any type of a planner. But this is so cute. It says cook. So what, you know, you're gonna cook on this side and what you need to buy. So this is just a great planner. I'll have to start it in May because there's no way we're going away for 5 days this week, and then at the end of the month we're going away for another 5 days. So, but this is really nice, and until I get my eye surgery, I really can't read. Let's see, make your menu and grocery list with the menu planner, and this retails for $12.99. So this is a really nice thing to have. And the next thing, I don't even know where to go. Oh, there's the back for it. Let's go for this. Cozy wrap with free pouch. Keep in your bag for chilly evenings. Restaurants, office, and movies. God, I can't remember the last time I went to the movie. So, can get it out of the packaging because you know I'm package challenged. Okay. I bet you if I cut the tag, there we go. It's a beautiful coral color, and so this is just a wrap. I don't think this type of wrap would keep me very warm because when I get chilly, I get chilly. So you probably just wrap it around and then you could, you know, fling it out there. But it is really pretty and it's a great color. And there's no way I would get it back in the package. But that's really nice. And let's see how much our little wrap is. Don't see the wrap yet. Okay, we'll find that in a minute. Ooh, then I see this. This is a massager. You can see it's got the little roller balls, and it's like for your back and a leg massager. So you can just rub it along the back of your legs and your back you kind of reach back there and rub. So that's really kind of cool. I thought it was for your hair, but no, it's for the back of your legs because it's got the little massagers there. So that's kind of cool. And I think I saw that. The Bio Swiss back and leg massager for an invigorating massage. And that retails for $12. And I still can't find the Scarfie. So we'll find that. And then we have the Poseidon Sugar Scrub. I have to open this. Well, never mind. It's all wrapped tight at the top. I thought I could just open it, but I bet you this smells fantastic. So you could put it in your bath, or after you do your back of the leg thing. That would be really nice. And the sugar scrub is $12. It's a shower scrub. And then we have this mystery item. And it's in a box, so you know what that means. It's not gonna make it out of the box. Ooh. What is this? And if I forgot to tell you, I believe this box is like $35.99 or $39.99 or something, and then there's shipping. You pay for the shipping, so it comes to about $45. All that will be listed below, but this box is so well worth it. And then you can kind of take the box apart and give some of the items. Oh, look at this nice travel mug. Let's get to the bottom of this. Oh, look how cute that is. So it's a really nice travel mug. And the nice thing about this travel mug is look at how slender it is. It can fit in your cup holder in your car. Some of the travel mugs that I've gotten, I can't put in my car thing. It doesn't fit. And this is nice. It's got the little slidey thing. And then again, you can take this off. So I love this mug. This might be my favorite item. And take a travel mug along with you filled with your favorite hot or cold, and that retails for $24.99. Okay, and then we got this big thing, and this is, I used, you probably can't tell, but I put some contour on my cheeks and up here, and it's by the same brand, Bella Pierre. And this is Extreme Concealer. And I don't have their concealer. As I said, this is a contour cream. And I'm not gonna open this, but this is, it's got it for the different colors. If you can see how it's got the different colors, and a brush. So you use one color for like for your dark circles, hyperpigmentation, redness. So it tells you what colors go where. And I know this isn't a cheap item. And it tells you on the back what colors and what you do with them and what's the purpose. And it's got that nice brush. And let's see if we can find that one. And this retails for $79. There are times when I like to put on a full face of makeup, but not when I'm healing or heading out to the market. So you can just put this concealer on and then use nothing else. So that's nice. Still can't find that scarf. I'm sure it'll come along. And then it looks like there's one more item in the box. Wow. Look at this tote. Now, if this isn't a summer tote, And the bags that they put in their boxes are nice, high quality, and usable. I got a crossbody bag in tan a couple months ago, and I love it. It fits a lot. It's a nice design. So you definitely get your money's worth. So it's got this is a market tote by the Slant Collection. So when you go, I mean, it's not like a purse that you would use every day because it doesn't have a, you know, a closure, and it doesn't have a, you know, shoulder strap. It's got a little pocket in here. So if you were just going to like a farmer's market, and now that it's, you know, well, here the weather's getting nicer, and you wanted to go to like a flea market and just throw stuff in. I know when we go even to like the fairgrounds, myself and of course Dennis, like he'll buy shirts and whatever he buys, and he's like, oh, can you put this in your purse? It's like, really? So it would be good to throw that kind of stuff in there, and then you just close it up, and then you can walk around with it. So, I mean, I wouldn't put a wallet or anything in there, but it's so cute. So to recap, oh, let's see how much this is, and then we'll just do a little recap. That purse is just too cute. So, yeah, this is to buy your fresh vegetables and put them in there. I don't know if I put fresh vegetables, but this is our leather trimmed market tote, and that retails for $34.99. Our grocery list retailed for $12.99. That lovely mug, and it says you can put lemonade and stuff like that in there, retailed for $12.99. Oh no, the travel mug was $24.99. The makeup concealer was $79.99. And I think, yeah, the coral wrap retailed for $32.99. Not my favorite item. Our sugar scrub was $12, and our little massager thing was $12. And Mary, who coordinates all this, I think she did a great job. So let me know in the comments below what you thought of this box. And again, I always push this as a great gift box. If you don't know what to get, like your mother or your best friend or whatever, this is such a great box. And again, you can tear it apart, so if you didn't want to keep the tote or you didn't want to keep the mug, they always make great gifts. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.